whenever it's early twilight.
So, change outfit, right? Okay guys, so it's gonna be real quick best. Pakita ko lang guys. So this is the Fabrika farm at night. Hey, can I pay 25 for a quick entertainment dance? Hi Bess. 25 pesos in 3, 2, 1, go.
Ano naman?
Yeah.
Ang inyong tagapagdesa.
No, di ba dati
celebrant today?
Yeah, happy birthday to you. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. Yay, party!
Sana mga gusto nyo?
Yeah, thank you. Well,
Karina?
Bess, I'm gonna pay 25 pesos for a quick entertainment dance. In 3, 2, 1, go. Wow,
naman. TikTok dance.
Go. Eh. Yes. Okay guys, it's gonna be real quick. Ayan, magbababay na ako kasi gagamitin na ang universal cellphone. Ayan, taka lang. Mag-hi ka muna. It's my vlog. Very shy type. They lit all the candles and it looks so nice, like really nice. Ayan, parang ano, Cambodia vibe. Ano kasi, Angkor, hi! Yes po, kuya. Hi, kuya. How are you? Magandang gabi. Thank you, for tinutok kay kuya. Sorry, kuya. Thank you. So, ayun guys, may pa bonfire. So nice. So, may lake doon. That's my friend. Also, my best. And some photo shoots, which is so nice guys. Actually, this place is very Instagrammable. There's a lot of picturesque spots for you guys, so you may visit Fabrika Farm located at Guagua. Tama?
Yes.
Guagua. Santa Ines, Guagua. Okay, so we'll update you more of our moments together. I'll see you later. Bye. Good evening again. Here are my friends enjoying the water. Say hi, Mahal. Hi, Bess.
Hi. Wine.
Hi, Mom K. Hi, bro. Bro.
Cedric ayaw.
This is my bro. Hi, BFF. May nakikiswimming sa kanila. Butterfly. I think he or she's dead. Mahal, be ready. Siya sana ang future ko, guys. However, he's already in love. And I'm jealous. Bro! Hi, bro. A little of exposure. Hi. How's life, bro?
Happy.
Whoa, sana all my jowa.
Happy wife, happy life.
Ay? And that's the wife. Hi, Mom Kay. The
Ako po yung third wheel.
the sweetest woman living on
Ako
earth.
yung third wheel na.
Ay, feeling ko ikaw yung sweetest woman on earth. Pero hindi mo alam ipakita, Ma'am Kay. So, ayun po yun, guys. Nag-a-affirm, kina-confirm. Oh my gosh.
Sobrang sweet niya. Nagpapatulong ako mag-check ng papel.
Ah,
Kinantahan lang ako.
sweet.
Entertainment.
Ang sabi, tutulungan ako mag-check ng papel.
inaantok, di ba?
May pagalyo. Video niya.
Mahal, you look good. Oh no, you look like...
Hanap niyo po akong jowa.
Ay, lalalalalalalala.
May jowa po yan.
Mukha kang 21 years old.
Thank you. Ano gusto mo bukas?
Starbucks coffee, please.
jelly.
Yes.
Iced coffee.
Iced coffee. Wow. Kapag happy ni film kita, ayaw mo pag di ka dapat kasama. Sumasama ka. There's actually a lake.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Plus up, plus up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute.
Ang sarap ng catch-up na to. Everybody is holding their phone.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
So dim. Few reminders na boating or no fishing, no swimming or diving in pond. Pwede naman yung bata. Depende sa guidelines at the moment kasi napabago-bago. Yeah, they also have this spot. Actually guys, ang cute lang na naglilit sila ng bonfire. Ang ganda. Ayan. Bes, you're there na? Hi! Bes, I need you. I need you kasi hindi naka-on yung itsura ko.
In time, you and I, hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I, in this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. We're in time. There's something about the way you talk with your hands. The way that you say my name when nobody stares. No, no. You say it's alright. Take your space if you need a break. If I need to disconnect.
Oh, they are still on their phones. Oh my gosh. Since yesterday until today. Okay, enjoy your phones. Hey guys, so it's a wrap. That's it. Thank you so much. It's a beautiful staycation spot area You may check it, guys. It's worth it. Like, how will you rate it, BF? In a scale of 10?
9.
9. Para saan yung 1%?
Late yung food.
Oh, yeah. Dahil natin siya kausapin. In a scale of 1 to 10, how would you to recommend it to your friends and family? How would you like?
8.
8. What's the 2?
What's the 2? Kasi super pricey nga.
Yeah.
Well, it could be 7,000 for the villas. It could be for 4 packs. Pero may additional pa.
950 na for additional packs. Thank you, Beth. Hi, Mahal!
Hi.
Hello. Uy, mukha siyang 18, guys. Ano na siya? Mag-47 na siya this year. 20. Thank you, Mahal. Thank you for spending time.
47 na.
Thank you for spending time.
Thank you so much.
Pa-ice coffee ka naman. Yeah. Bye! Hey, guys!
Hello!
What about a wave? Going home. Back to reality.